Hop into the 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a Trailblazer that's ready to take you places in bold, modern style. Its flexible, spacious interior, touchscreen infotainment, and standard driver assist safety tech are wrapped in sculpted good looks. Options like available all-wheel drive let you make this sprightly subcompact crossover all your own. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, sun, moonroof. Small meets sensational in this stylish, versatile Trailblazer. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.